Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Framework Bean Scope prototype. In Spring Framework, Bean Scope is used to decide which type of Bean instance should be written from the Spring container. There are 5 types of Bean Scope supported: Singleton, Prototype, Request, Session, Global Session. Singleton means it will always return the same instance per Spring IOC container. Prototype means it will always return a new bean instance each time requested. Request means per HTTP request. Session means single bean per HTTP session. Global session means it will return per bean instance per global HTTP session. And these 3 is only for web-aware application context. In most cases, we will be dealing with singleton prototype, and by default, singleton is the bean scope. I'm going to show you in this demo the prototype. That means every time you ask the Spring container, it's going to give me the new instance. I have a bean called customer, okay, and I have marked using the annotation component annotation. So this will be useful for me to register this customer bean in the Spring container. So component is a Spring Framework annotation, and scope, this is very important. Scope I'm using as a prototype. That means this customer object will be created whenever I request the Spring container. Every time it will give me the new object. So how do we ensure that it's giving me new object? Let's see. And this is a Spring config Java configuration, where it is equal to Spring configuration XML file. Say you would have in Spring 2.5 you will be knowing that we have to give definition configuration like this in order to get a bean. Similarly, I can use a Java file itself to scan all my beans using the component scan. So this is the configuration annotation. It means this is the Spring configuration file, and component scan means this is the package where beans are available. If you see here, this one, and the package name, and customer is the one of the bean which has to be registered in the Spring container. So I'm going to load the context, and I'm going to get the customer here. Then after getting the customer, I'm just printing it out, and I'm setting the customer ID and name, okay, just to prove that always I'm getting a new customer object. I'm going to run this code. Let's see how exactly it behaves. So it's going to load the scope config. It's going to create the context, and okay. So we are going to ask the Spring container to give the customer bean. It has given, and it's printing null 0. That is, it is a new instance and there are no values. I'm trying to set customer ID and customer name. So if it's a singleton type, this setting, whatever value attribute you're setting, it will reflect. But in the case of prototype, it will not be reflected. Prototype means it will always give me the newly instantiated object. Okay, so now I'm going to get prototype customer. If you can see here, the values are 0 and null. Whatever the value I set, 6537 and Ruth Julie, will not be reflected, because prototype bean means it will always create the new instance. Okay, so hence it ensured that prototype means it always give me the new instance. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.